t-shirt, Anya. You have to wear without mommy and daddy. Okay? Ha? Sige ha. Go. Hold siya, hold. Go, Anya. Okay, pull up. Pull up, sige, sige, pull up. Okay, advance. Up here. You pull down ako. Sige, down. You give the teacher. Ah, very good. Thank you, Anya. Advance a bit. Thank you, bit. Okay. Anya. Anya. Sige, Anya. Run dito, Anya. Run. Run. Dali, faster. Run. Go back, Anya. You have to jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Sit down, sorry. Yan, yan. You are a boy or girl? Asa magdaan natin? Boy or girl? Wait sa. Chloe. Sit down sa tutulog mo. Sige. Asa mag-head? Ano yan? Head. No. Eyes. Asa mag-eyes na mata? Nose. Mouth. Hands. Feet. Sampo niya ha. Gaya ng mga mga paso niya ha. Go, Anya. Kanawa, Anya. Bukas guy. Torn pa, torn. Torn pa niya. Torn. Other one. Oh, the other side. Tuloy pa, tuloy. Sana. Ang hand. Sige, head. Very good breakfast. Yay! Bihagyan ni Teacher B. Check mo na ni Teacher. Papalit ang snack ni Mami ha. Yung favorite snack ha. Kaya perfect ha. Sige. Bye-bye. See you on Monday. Bye-bye, Anya.
Bye-bye.